Lease agreement ready to What is up, YouTube? What is up? Hey, it's your girl Edri in the cut. Yeah. What is up, YouTube? It is your girl Edrianna, Edrianna, Edri, whatever you want to call me, and I'm back with another video for you guys today. I need chapstick. Hold on. I can't find no chapstick, but I'm gonna just put on a little bit of lip gloss, just a little bit, so my lips not too dry. Okay, so my camera was in my car, so I'm just gonna film this talking part down here. Oh, it's been a whole entire month. That's crazy. Time flies. I've been literally dealing with apartments, applications, viewing apartments for a whole entire month, even after that vlog. Like, y'all, it has literally been a whole freaking process, and I'm not even nowhere near started. So I'm gonna tell you guys what's going on right now. So today is Monday. It is May 17th. So my goal was to be moved out by the end of May. My initial goal months ago was to be moved out by my birthday, August 3rd. And we're a few months ahead of that. I put my application in last Wednesday, and I've been waiting for them to reply. Basically, that's where I'm at right now. And because I know that I basically got the apartment, and I decided that because I know I'm getting this place, we're gonna start packing up and throwing away stuff I don't need.
2 hours later.
They just sent the verification thing less than 10 minutes ago, and they literally just emailed me back saying that the leasing manager has finalized my lease and I'm ready to sign it! Oh my god! Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm gonna call my mama, because bitch, what the fuck? Lease agreement ready to sign! Y'all, update. It's crazy how I manifested that this morning talking to her on the car. Right now it's currently 1:56. It's really gloomy today, but it's 1:56, so almost 2 o'clock. Just got finished doing the stuff you have to do before you move in, like getting the renter's insurance, getting your account set up with the utilities so that you can pay your, you know, your gas and like electricity, all that stuff. And then, so yeah, I just did that. The last thing I have to do is go get a cashier's check, which is to pay off, you know, the move-in fees, because you have like fees that you have to pay at move-in. It's official. We moving. It's no more ifs, ands, and buts. It's here. This is what's happening. My mama was like, you gotta take your leaves down. I'm like, I know. Y'all, we're on my spam page. If y'all don't follow my spam page, y'all should do that at Low-Key Edri. It'll be on the screen. But yeah, y'all. Look at all these dang negative text messages from our college telling us about finals week. Get the fuck. Anyways, right now I'm about to start packing up. After that, I'm gonna start throwing away all the stuff I don't need, don't want. I gotta get that desk out of here. Taking my pictures down. I got a lot of stuff to do.
Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how brave it is. Up in your mouth, you speak good to me. I ain't built like him. Fucking with a G. Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some high hopes. High hopes, baby. From me crazy, and I'll tell you about me. I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the game, just to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long, but you pull up when I call. All the hood niggas respect me, strippers wanna sex me. You bluffed on her, now we mad because you let me low.
so far my whole entire closet is cleaned out for like that part. So all I gotta do is start going through these shoes. So this is trash. This is clothes that I'm gonna be, clothes and shoes. This is not all of it, but some clothes and shoes I'm gonna be selling on like Depop and Poshmark. And then right here is my dirty clothes. So these are my clean clothes in here. So not only is it gonna be easy for when I move in, but also while I'm still at my mom's house until I move in, I can just go in here and get out clothes. I'm about to go ahead and work on my shoes, start going through my shoes and putting those on a pile of the shoes that I'm gonna sell and stuff that I don't want. And then we're gonna move over to this side, my desk area, all that.
Working on a weekend like usual, way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Maybe got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell a shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on FBG, God forbid. Virgil got the paddock on my wrist doing.
Y'all, before my camera died, let me show y'all what the room looking like. It's empty, y'all. It's crazy. And I'm gonna show y'all the living room. That's all my stuff so far. So alright, y'all, so it is, what's today's date? May 18th. As y'all knew, yesterday the 17th is the day that I was approved my promise. So this morning I went to the bank to get my cashier checks to pay the deposit and the rent for the rest of the first month's rent. So yeah, I don't get my keys till the 20th, so I'm gonna go there like on that morning to get my keys, and then so we can start moving or whatever. Now that all that is handled with the apartment and like everything is paid, everything's in check or whatever, it's time to start shopping. So today is the shopper day. Darius is with me, of course, because when is he not with me? I really don't know what to expect as far as what we're getting, so we're just really looking. My main concern right now is looking for a couch. We're at the first store. I've never been here. It's a little vacant, so I don't know what to expect, to be real. Oh, I like this. You see that one? This one. Y'all, so we went to another furniture store, but we left like within 5 minutes because it just was not giving with it. It was real ran down. Okay, but me and Darius was talking about how like our generation, like when it comes to moving and stuff, it's different because we have like the technology now. Like you don't necessarily have to go to a furniture store to go shopping anymore. Like you can literally get all your stuff online. They have little apps where you can put the furniture in your space so you can see what it looks like, and you could just order it, like all type of stuff. So a lot of like the local furniture stores and stuff ain't really like getting a lot of business, or they just not keeping up with their store because they don't get a lot of business. So yeah, that's just an observation that we had made. But we're at Living Spaces now. It's huge, just like IKEA. So I think IKEA and Living Spaces might be the two places that we really get lucky at, honestly, because they have so much. All right, y'all, this is one. What you think?
Me?
Are you with it?
And it's comfortable.
We'll keep looking, but I'm gonna keep this one in mind. Okay. All right, y'all, the couch that we like the most They talking about they got a special order and it's gonna take 9 to 11 weeks. Do I look like I'm about to go 2.5 months without a couch? On to the next. That's really the only thing that we like that is looking at everything else. So we're gonna go over here to this warehouse furniture store. And then if not, IKEA. If not, Ashley Furnitures, I guess. All right, y'all, we at Big Lots now. I'll tell y'all the story that happened in the other furniture store after this. But we in here for our cleaning stuff, like our detergents and our cleaning stuff. So that's what we buying. Oh, we need a basket.
Where they got in the front?
I think so. Yeah, outside. So that's what I'm in here buying. So like our Swiffer and then all the cleaning supplies we need, detergent, whatever we need as far as, you know, household cleaning supplies.
Then dip me underway. You can fill my mind for flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream forever. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
Finished with Big Lots. We didn't buy that much. We literally bought cleaning supplies. So it was, well, we bought detergent, dishwashing things, sponges,
vacuum cleaners.
Yeah, like Ajax and freaking disinfectant spray. We spent like, and some other stuff. I don't know. We only spent like $40, $40-some in there. So I feel like that's all I need. That's all I really know. Like, so now we're on our way to Target, and here we're gonna get like our Swiffer, our bathroom stuff, as far as like, you know, plungers, toilet cleaners, the shower curtains, like that stuff. Most likely as well kitchen stuff, like, you know, pots, pans, and like spatulas, spoons, all that stuff. And then we're getting our dishes. What is it? And silverware.
Yeah, that's like forks and spoons.
Yeah, and then what we're gonna get our plates and glasses and stuff from is Dollar Tree. Hopefully they got the glass cups. I think they do. So yeah, we're gonna get our like dishes, bowls and plates and stuff from Dollar Tree, y'all. When y'all move, I'm telling y'all, we could have got our
no extra money.
Yeah, like
no dishes.
The goal for my thing was, I knew what the biggest things I was gonna buy was gonna be. My couch and my island. So I knew that those were gonna be the two most expensive things that I pay for. Everything else, as far as like shower stuff and like, you know, like just the little things. That's all I'm gonna classify it as, the little things. It's no point spending unnecessary money. Like, I'm impulsive. Like, I'll be spending money. No, this ain't the entrance. You don't see this big sign right here? I'll be spending money, but I'm also not going to spend money to the point where I'm not able to stay afloat. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but I'm just, you have to be smart. Yeah, you have to be smart with it. Regardless of how much you have to be smart with it, because it spends, and moving is a big expense, so you really do have to be smart. All right, y'all, you know what happened when we get in Target. I'll probably go time-lapse this. We're gonna see. I might not have the vines in my house, but y'all know I'm about to have my plants. Y'all know I'm about to have my plants. Okay. Anyways, bedding, bath. We can start in bath.